Hello from Supermom's Kitchen. Today's dish is a dessert that we are going to make with apricot. It's called apricot meringue. You're going to take half a cup of stewed apricot. This is stewed apricot. 2 eggs. This is 2 egg whites and 2 egg yolks separated. Half a tin of milk. Half a tin of condensed milk. 1 tablespoon of wine or rum, 1 tablespoon, juice of half a lemon and the rind of half a lemon, the zest, lemon zest, 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar for the meringue, that's for the egg white when you're going to beat the egg white stiff. Now we're going to mix the egg yolk, the half a tin of milk, half a tin of condensed milk and the wine or rum, the lemon juice and the zest all together, and we're going to bake it at 180 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes. We're going to mix all these together. We have to preheat the oven for 10 minutes before we bake it in a grease-proof tray. And we're going to pour it in a grease-proof tray, and then we're going to bake it till it's set. Now we pour it into the dish to bake till it's set. While that's getting done, we're going to beat the egg white till it's stiff. And you can add in 1 tablespoon of sugar little by little. Now when that's done, we are going to layer it with the stewed apricot. And when you layer that, you layer it with the egg white and prick it with a fork so that it forms peaks. The white egg white forms peak, and you're going to bake it for 5 minutes again. And your apricot meringue will be ready. Now we're going to beat the egg white till it's stiff and frothy and shiny. You're going to need 1 tablespoon of lemon juice for the egg white. You must be careful not to let the egg yolk get into the egg white when you separate it. To add in the sugar little by little into the egg white. See, it's standing in peaks. It should be standing stiff in peaks. And then you beat it again. After that you can add in the lemon juice. You can see your meringue, even if you tilt it the upside down, it doesn't fall off. See? I've tilted it the other way around, and that's how it stands in peak. Your meringue should be stiff like that, so it doesn't fall off. You can tilt it upside down and it will stay in peaks. Our custard is getting ready. Once this is done, we're going to lay it with the apricot, the stewed apricot, and then we're going to lay it with the egg white that is standing in peaks, and bake it for 5 minutes, and then it's done, and you're going to have tasty apricot meringue. We'll see you in the second part of this recipe soon. For more quantity, you can do it with the 4 egg recipe, double the amount of what I have stated in my recipe. I've done it with only 2 eggs.